Hello students, I am back again with an interesting topic, that is fraction in its lowest term or simplest form. So let us begin. A fraction is in its lowest term or simplest form when its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So here 3/4 is in its lowest term. Why? Because there is no common factor other than 1. Okay? So let us see with an example how to reduce 3/6 into its lowest term. So here first we have to find out its factors and common factors, which we have already learned in our previous classes. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. And factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So common factors of 3 and 6 are 1 and 3. So we will divide 3/6 by its common factor, that is 3. Why we will not divide it by 1? Because when we will divide any number by 1, we will get the number itself. Okay? So we will divide 3/6 by 3. When you will divide 3/3, you will get 1. And when you will divide 6/3, you will get 2. Okay? So is 1/2 is in its simplest form? Yes. Why? Because there is no common factor other than 1. Thus 1/2 is in its simplest form or lowest term. Okay? Let us see one more example. Reduce 15/30 in its simplest form. So here 3 is the common factor of 15 and 30. So we will divide 15/30 by 3. When we will divide 15/3, we will get 5. And when we will divide 30/3, we will get 10. But is 5/10 is in its simplest form? No. Here 5/10 is not in its simplest form. Why? Because 5 is the common factor of 5 and 10. So again here 5 is the common factor of 5 and 10. So we will divide 5/10 by 5. So when you will divide 5/5, you will get 1. And when you will divide 10/5, you will get 2. So is 1/2 is in its simplest form? Yes. So thus 1/2 is the simplest form of 15/30. Okay? There is an alternate way also to solve this question. Rather than dividing again and again by 3 and 5, why not we will divide it directly by 15? Yes, we can do that. So here we will directly divide 15 by 15. So we will get 1. And when we will divide 30 by 15, we will get 2. The same answer. Thus 1/2 is the simplest form of 15/30. Okay? Now some points to remember. A fraction in its lowest term or simplest form when its numerator or denominator have no common factor. To reduce a fraction to its lowest term or its simplest form, divide the number, the numerator and denominator by their common factor. Okay? You can also solve the question like this. Thank you.